Now in this video, we're going to have a quick look and we're going to run through a box breathing exercise. And this video, we're going to be focusing on 3 seconds per side. Have a look on the rest of the channel or profile if you would like to extend that practice, because there's a whole different range of numbered sides for box breathing videos. So what we're going to do is we're going to get nice and comfortable. I'm going to sit up straight. I'm going to straighten that spine, and we're going to close our mouth and we're going to breathe through our nose during this exercise of 3 seconds per side. And if you're new to box breathing, then what we'll do is our breath will follow the sides of a box. So we'll breathe in for 3, we'll hold for 3, we'll breathe out for 3, and then we'll hold for 3 again, and we'll repeat this cycle like we're following the sides of a box. Okay, so in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I hope you enjoyed that exercise, and feel free to extend your practice by finding one of the videos that goes on for 4, 5, 6, or even 8 seconds.